Arlo. Today we are going to draw the berries. If you remember that I practiced during class, I want to show you again. So I'm finding the overall berry shape, and then I'm starting with circles down the center. And then I'm spreading out from there with half circles. And as you get closer to the edge, you can get skinnier and skinnier half circles. I guess those would be quarter circles and then 1/8 circles. But it works pretty much every time to give you a great berry. So we have abstraction right now. We have a bunch of colors. We are going to draw the berries on top of those colors. And it is okay if they don't line up completely. You can see here that I'm drawing the berry, but it's bigger than the color that was there. It's totally okay. The reason we did it that way is because it's going to make it look pretty cool when we're done. I do know that sometimes it's going to be hard to see when the colors are very dark, but I think you'll be okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it on my own now, on my own paper. This step is going to take you a while because there are a lot of berries. I won't be drawing them all in to save time. I'll just be drawing a few. You'll find out that because we did those loose color shapes to start with, we don't have to worry so much about making sure we put each berry in the right place because we already know. So all you have to focus on is drawing great berries. So when you're done drawing all of them, you can think about how you would like to outline them. It's important that we do this so that your painting is easier for you. So I'm going to show you a few different ways. So here is Skinny Sharpie, and then you erase it just like normal. Your watercolor should stay. And now I'm going to trace with color pencil. Oh, looks like I broke a pencil. uh, so I'm going to use a blue pencil to do a blueberry. So you can choose whether or not you want to do a pen, like a Sharpie marker, or you want to do color pencil. Now sometimes if you erase really hard, your watercolor will get lighter, but don't worry about that at all. If you have a whole bunch of colors that are permanent, you can try different ones. So I'm using a pink for my raspberry. Looks pretty cool. The reason it is important that the colors are permanent is because when we add the water, we don't want them to smear or disappear. So now I'm showing you what this would look like on your background. You only need to worry about the tracing when you're all done drawing all the berries. So you can use a kneaded eraser, or what I call a squishy eraser, or you can use a traditional pink eraser. You do want to be gentle. So this is what a raspberry would look like being outlined in color pencil. I kind of like them floating around like see-through berries. But now I'm going to show you what we would do next. I'm only going to show you so that you know what's coming up, but you should wait until class to start painting the berries. And I think that'll work out because there are a lot of berries to draw. So because we have a background color, we won't necessarily have to fill in the entire berry. We might be able to just focus on shadows, and then by blending them, we'll have everything finished. Don't worry too much about this step because it's for later. All right, Arlo, I'll see you in class.